We're nearly there. I need to conclude this talk with some messages about mission and zeal that you can take away. First, I've tried to show you that mission is a state of mind. It's not a wall poster or a planning document. The purpose of the published mission statement is to test whether you are clear and unambiguous about your purpose, whether your leadership team is all facing in the same direction, and whether they have the commitment to publicly pledge how they will act in future. Second, I've tried to convince you that mission creates the critical energy in your business. It's what turns people on. I term this energy zeal. Third, because it's so fundamental to success, mission and zeal deserve to be consciously managed. You can't assume that everyone around you is already pulling in the same direction as you. But if you can build a common sense of purpose in the team, it will make you powerful and people will gravitate to your cause. Fourth, I've suggested that mission is not the monopoly of the saintly. It drives good enterprises and evil ones. Equally, it drives big enterprises and small. However worldly or mundane others may think your enterprise, for as long as it remains something that the world needs, you can and should take pride in it. And you should strive to turn pride into success, however you choose to define that. I've proposed that mission isn't mystical. There are techniques for helping to build a sense of mission. Some people find this more natural than others, but it's a learnable skill. Critically, your actions speak louder than words. If your mission guides you, you can guide others. I'm convinced that mission is the foundation of all good planning and execution. If you don't have it, however polished your subsequent management, you are building on sand and your enterprise is fragile. Finally, I've suggested that money is probably a necessary element of motivation, but is generally not sufficient. As the old school economists in Chicago age, you can hear their successors voicing the same conclusion. Greed does not translate into sustainable economic growth. Through history, whenever innovation or endeavour has resulted in economic growth, behind it you will find individuals with a strong sense of mission for their core competence. Equally, you will find mission behind all inspiring endeavours. Artistic movements, military campaigns, engineering projects, even philanthropy. As you get old, you will remember your mission far more clearly than your actions. And although you will have enjoyed consuming the fruits of your success, the memory of that pleasure fades faster than the companionship and respect of the people who shared your mission. I hope you enjoyed this talk and that it gave you food for thought. If you want to offer any constructive feedback, ask a question related to the talk, or contact me for any other purpose, you can email me, ceri.gosling@gmail.com. Mission is one element of an integrated framework for supporting enterprise growth that I developed for my own use. If you would like to explore the framework further, visit cerigosling.com. Subsequent talks planned in this series will cover the other components of that framework, the dependencies and actions that I have found to be essential in facilitating growth. The talks will cover vision, innovation, breakthrough projects, continuous improvement, governance, and leadership. Thank you.